Hey guys, guess what? My mail person just dropped off my Color Rush Studio kit and I scampered out there like a bear coming out of hibernation. It was kind of funny. Let me come in so we can see all the good. So this is the March 2024 kit and it is called Be Kind, which I think is so cute. The name is so cute. So, oh my gosh. Okay, I usually don't look at embellishments first, but for the reels, can you guys? Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. All right, I've got to look at these goodies, but like always, I'm gonna look at the papers first and then all of the little bits and pieces and treasures. Oh, and guys, we have a sketch of the month and the little twisty challenge is the sketch of the month, guys, go to Color Rush Studios Facebook group. The twist is to use the frazzles and ribbons in kind of a cool or creative way. So we'll get into that in a minute. All right, so let's see. Our papers are from Simple Vintage Spring Garden from Simple Stories. And already I'm like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, so this one is called Let Love Grow. And it is a gorgeous, like quilted design, like for real. You can even see the little strings. And it is all things happy. And you would love this on your comfy quilt. So, guys, why is my camera being so weird? Okay, so we have that. Now, I don't know if I have doubles. I don't know any of the things. Oh, this is a double. All right, so the back side to this one for Let Love Grow is this piece that wants to be fussy cut right out. Cut. Totally have to fussy cut that out and make it on something. I know that from the get-go. Super glad I have both sides. Guys, look at this gorgeous, like denim-y blue kind of vibe. And there's a cabbage. How cute. Why is a cabbage cute? I don't know, but it is today. Our next piece, this is called Buttercup Gingham. Totally a buttercup yellow. Gorgeous. It is such a stunning background to be. Ooh, and the back side, and like I said, I haven't looked through any of this. I just got it, so work with me for a second. This is a stunning background. You can see, it's a dictionary of gardening, so you can see like text on this side, and it's totally tone on tone. But if you hold it at different kind of vibes, it kind of looks like a hydrangea and some florals. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm going to use this side for now. Okay, our next piece. This is called Journal Elements, and it's like a blown out textile fabric. We have, oh my gosh, the name Paisleys. I was like, not periwinkles, Paisleys. Giant ones, and then these beautiful roses. And then the flip side, it's the Journal Elements, right? So we've got this sweetest little bunny with a cabbage and radishes. Look at these butterflies. They're so pretty. And this big chunky ladybug. Cute. Ooh, I love that. It's this weathered birdhouse with a butterfly. Oh, and look at the little bee for Be Kind. How cute. So cute. Okay. So our next piece, it is called Celebrate Life. And it's these tone-on-tone leafy bits. There is text in the background. But if you really start to look close at things, like there's some pink in there, there's blue, there's sweet little butterflies. Look at the text on this side. It's poking through with a tiny bit of white. We even have some lavender tones. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I already see the next paper that's over there. It's the back side of this. Oh, it's called Celebrate Life. And guys, it's just a stunning piece of artwork. It's done for you. It is gorgeous. I want to do things. Like I look at it and like my fussy cutting scissors are like inching over to me. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. I think it's stunning. Love the watercolor work. Beautiful. Our next piece, it is called Bluebell Gingham. So we had this gingham over here called Buttercup, and this is Bluebell. So it's a nice light denim. Absolutely perf. And then the flip side to that, it's another piece that is perfection for a background, you know, matting, all that kind of stuff. So super pretty. It says Dictionary of Gardening again. And then you can see like this like tone on tone silhouette of florals. Love it. Might be a butterfly bush. Okay, so now this piece, it is called Scatter Sunshine. And look at these honeycombs. That is pretty. Pretty, pretty. So like this daffodil yellow vibe. And the flip side wants to be fussy cut. Darn it. Darn it. I'm really hoping I have two of these. It's called Scatter Sunshine, right? But look at these florals. Oh my gosh. Beautiful artwork. They're like watercolored artwork. Love the really saturated tones. I'm going to have to move my little iPad stand out the way, people, because I still have things to open. Okay. Our next piece of paper. Come on, next piece of paper. It's trying to stay with its friends. It is this one here, and it's called Spread Your Wings, and it reminds me of wallpaper, like straight up wallpaper, with a like notebook paper or ledger, enter something on top. Super pretty, gorgeous, fun piece of paper. Oh wow! And then this side, it's like a bill of sale, like an old school one. You can see the old handwriting on it, and it's super blown up. But then you've got these stunning little buggy friends. The next piece of paper that wants to be fussy cut, it is called My Happy Place. So we've got all of these gorgeous moth butterfly thingies in the pinks, the yellows, the blues. Like, give me these colors on every layout. Thank you. Thank you. How kind. So love that. Absolutely stunning. And then the back side to that one, it's this great denim-y blue kind of vibe. We've got lots of nice distressing. And once again, it looks like a textile. Love that. Okay, so we have that. Let's see. I'm gonna get my next thing. Okay, I already showed you the frazzle and ribbons. We've got a nice blue gingham. We have got this one with these bees on it, which is quite frankly the bee's knees. Yes, I'm dorking out. We've got some pom-pom and a nice black and white. Fun. Then what else? Oh, let me show you the bunnies. So we've got 3 bunnies, and they've got foofy bunny tails. Come on, guys. Everybody come out, because we've got to see the rabbits. Come on, rabbits. Bunny rabbits, guys. They're squishy. First of all, look at that. They squish. We've got this guy with the little yellow tail. We've got our sweet white one. And then this one is a really great tone. It's like a dusty peachy tone. Aren't they cute? Look at them. So cute. So we've got our bunny rabbits. Great. Then, oh, we have carrots. Well, I mean, carrots gotta eat. So fabric again. The top looks like a corduroy, and they're squishy. So we have that. Then what? Oh, these look really cool. So these are bits and pieces, and I think these are like faux leather. I think. And I couldn't wait to feel them, because you just want to know what the stitch is, right? But I saw them online. Okay. Ooh. Guys, they're cool. So it's like a soft fabric background, but they're like this faux leather. We've got a birdhouse. We've got Be Kind. Guys, these, I can't even describe it. They look like wood grain, right? But they feel so cool, like so incredibly cool. And I'm going to see if my acrylic markers work on them, because that would be gorgeous on that. Love it, love it, love it. Super cute. All right, so then we have got the 6x12 chipboard stickers, guys. So you've got the dimension going on. We've got this sweet bunny in a teacup. The word spring and like a flower stake. We've got the word grow. We've got pots. Ooh, let love grow, this large element. Garden. I have the cutest picture of my husband and his garden. That's getting printed. Homegrown. I mean, it's super cute. Then we've got funny little bumblebees here, there, and everywhere. Oh, but wait, there's more. We have a goodie package. Let me get a little tray out right here to put it into, so I don't have to gather up all of the pieces. So we've got this piece to start. It's yellow, and it feels like burlap. That's kind of cool. And we've got a cut file. Look at that. It's already die cut for us, and it's in this really cool honeycomb shape. Ooh, and we got the centers. Oh, guys, I have ideas. The ideas are what I have. Okay, I know it's crinkling. We're all going to get through it. We're going to get through it. I feel good about it. Then we have got these like iridescent halfback adhesive pearl bits. Look at that. Look at the color on them. So we have that. And then we've got these little adhesive ladybugs. How adorable. Guys, they're so cute. Love that. So we've got little buggy bits. And then finally, oh, but wait, there's more. We have the whole pack of the floral bits. This is what it looks like if you're not into a complete unboxing. Here we go. Let's see what we have. I cannot wait. Oh, guys. Stunning little buggy bits. Stunning, stunning. We've got this nice large floral piece. Oh, we've got little bumblebees. Little bumblebees to be kind to. We have nice bumblebees. Ground bees, not a fan. It's true, I can say it. Little yellow ones, a large floral, sweet little bees here. We have got a yellowy one. And then, guys, this color is so darned pretty. It's the color of honey, since we're talking about the Be Kind kit. Look at this. The watercolor artwork it's goals. Totally goals. Look at that. Love this. Love this designer. Yes, ma'am. With the pink, and we've got these deep greens in there. Little buggy bits. Bugs and bugs. Making me some honey. Girl loves some honey. Pretty little, I don't know, it's going into fuchsia, which that makes me happy. Ooh, that's another. I keep having all these ideas for that honeycomb piece. You have no idea. Little green one. And now we've got more of a dusty rose. So pretty. I mean, look at how honking big some of those pieces are. You do a little bendy bend on them, make them look so gorgeous. And I mean, we have so many in here. There are 43 pieces. So you can stretch this layout out. We get a ton of papers with our kits as it is. Little buggy bugs. Look at these. All of these like fuchsia-y magenta buggy bits. More little bees. Blue and green. Really nice, dusty, almost a terracotta tone. And that is that for the main kit. But I happen to have what is the embellishment kit. So I don't even know what's in it. I'm going to put these sweet little pieces. I want everything ready so I can just get my craft on. I don't even want to have to like work at it. All right, so let me slide all of these treasures to the side and we will see what is in our embellishment kit. Because I didn't see what it was online. So I see more of those adorable ladybugs who remind me of this girl I knew once. Her mom called her Ladybug. Okay, oh, there's papers. Okay, let's see what we have for papers first. Our very first paper, it is the 4x6 elements piece. So we've got this gorgeous, like cottagey floral kind of vibe. I think that's stunning, stunning. And then the back side, it's a 4x6 element. So we've got that beautiful rabbit that I love bunnies. So, okay. And I actually happen to have a photo already printed of a rabbit. So I'm ready. We've got this bingo card that is a great pop of pink. I am loving it. I'm here for it. And this nice embellishment piece here with a bee. Then we have 2x2 and 4x4 elements. Once again, this is like all reading like wallpaper to me. Really nice saturation with a sagey green background. Ooh, look at these guys. We've got pieces you can use for your titles without any problems, but then you've got little tucking and fussy cutting bits with the 2x2s and the 4x4s. This one's fun. This is called 3x4 elements. So we've got all kinds of vintage tickets all layered on top of one another. Oh, wow. But the 3x4 elements, it's like a fussy cutting die cut extravaganza. Like this rabbit, this sweet little bunny in front of the petunia seeds. Then we've got stop and smell the flowers. You can cut them all out, pop them up. A nice little birdhouse with a bee on top. Some cosmos. Look at this. We have the ugliest little birds that lay their eggs in our ferns every year. I've got lots of pictures of them, but the poor things are ugly. Let's see, the tag elements. So the way it tends to go, I haven't seen this one yet, is that it's a little bit bolder on one side and a little bit less bold on the other, but we shall see. We've got some sweet boots. We've got that nice ladybug. We've got our bunny again, and then the flip side. So we've got a lot of pattern, but it's not all the wordy bits. Very pretty. And then we've got Bloom Brightly. Oh my gosh, guys. So super big textile piece. You can see some gingham and some ledger. And there you go. It is stunning. We have got all of these patterns superimposed on one another. And then this is called Picked for You. So it's a nice quilt, but it's not all of the different colors of the quilt. It's all one color or all one pattern. And then this is a fabulous piece here with a sweet little birdie nest and that bingo card. Cute. All right, so we also get the 12x12 sticker sheet, and you've got lots of nice big titles here. Hello, Spring and Sunshine. Love that. You want to know what's really nice? So these are the same fonts, right? But they're different words, so you can really build up titles, which is fun. We've got our sweet bunny, little words, a nice little scalloped edge, tickets, y'all, little hearts, little bees, all kinds of fun. Then let's see, embellishments. Ooh, we've got decorated Easter eggs, and these are like a hard plasticky finish. Look at how cute. So cute. Love the dimensional things that we get. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 clouds in a nice baby blue and a white. And then the last thing we have are 2 fat bumblebees and a smattering of ladybugs, guys. Look at, they're so cute and they're chunky. Cute. So that's what I have for you guys today. I am going to regroup, take a look at everything, get my fussy cut on, and create some, ooh, that's really bright for you guys, and create some layouts. So I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends. Oh, links down below where you can get your hands on these kits, as well as the link for the Color Rush Studio Kit Club Facebook group, and you can see the sketch of the month and see what the DT are up to and what the fellow designers are doing and all that kind of stuff. Okay, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.